So hi Techies, welcome to Techie Tuber. So in this video, I'm gonna share you and I'm gonna tell you something about the while clause. So before that, we'll see what all data our customer table contains. So for that, we'll use select statement, that is select star from customers. I'm gonna hit the enter button and you can see some data it contains from ID number 1 to ID number 6, and we're gonna use the while clause to print our data. So while is like is being used to set some condition, like if I want to display few results which contains age greater than 25 or the salary greater than 2000, so we're gonna use the while clause. So here is an example. Select, I want to display ID, name. Only two things I want to display, and will be uh, it will be contained just after the select statement. So select ID, name from customers where age is greater than, let's suppose, 20, and I'll hit the enter button. So you can see we'll be getting all the records. Now we're gonna do some modification. Age greater than 22. So you can see that it is displaying only the 5 results because the 6th one is itself 22. Again some manipulation, greater than 25. I'll hit the enter button and you can see only 2 persons are there in the table whose age are greater than 25. So here you can use a where clause to choose a particular data from the statement. Now I'm going to use the same thing for the salary. Let me have a look. I want to display the record having salary greater than 3000, let's suppose. So 3000, and I'll hit the enter button. You can see ID number 456 have salary greater than 3000. Let me confirm. 6500, 8500 and 4500, and all three are greater than 3000. So this is how you can use the where clause. One more thing, you can also set two conditions, like where salary is greater than 3000 or and for both the condition, that both conditions should satisfy, and age greater than 22. So we are getting some result. Yeah, we are getting results that ID number 4 and ID number 5 have age greater than 22 as well as salary greater than 3000. So this completes your where clause. Thank you so much for watching.